Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. As in my last video, I was telling you that there is a high probability that SLP may retest the 2-cent support, and recently it has tested the support, and in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line will break down the support or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this complete report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the previous month. For example, the total number of trades were 75, 62 were successful, and 13 were unsuccessful. And if you would like to verify any trade, then you can just click on any link available here, and it will take you to the idea that I have shared for my members. And I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and after that reverse bullish and hit the sell targets. Or you can just click on the link. It will take you to the trading view, and if you have at least a free account there, then you can click this play button and it will show you how the price line reverse bullish after entering the buying zone and hit the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this very big channel that we are following in almost my every video, and you can see that the price line broke out the resistance of this very big channel. It was entered the channel here back in July 2021 and broke out the resistance here in Feb 2022, retested the previous resistance as a support. We had a nice accumulation and rallied up. Now here the price line recently has rejected by this resistance. After this rally, it is rejected by this resistance of 3 cents, and then it has moved down to the next support of 2.5 cents, could not save that support, and now it has moved to the next support of 2 cents. And here we can see that few hours back, yesterday, it has tested the support of 2 cents, and now it is again moving above this support. For example, if the price line breaks down this support of 2 cents, then the next support will be here at 1.75 cents, and after this 2.5 cents, there will be 3 cents, and then 4 cents, and we also have a very strong resistance at 6 cents as well. Now at the same time, on this hourly time frame chart, the price line has found another support. This is the downtrend line support here that the price line has recently found on the hourly time frame chart, and here price line has also found a resistance as well. There is another down channel formation, and you can see that right now the price line is very close to this resistance of the newly formed down channel. And for example, if the price line will not break down the support of 2 cents, then there will be a very high probability that the price line will soon break out the resistance of the channel. You can see that it has just made another attempt here to break out the resistance, and now it is not touching the support of the channel. It is moving here sideways at the resistance still, so it can make more attempts to break out this resistance. For example, if it will be able to break it out, then it can reach here at the top of the channel. That will be very close to 3 cents, approximately 2.95 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.